For many children with autism, everyday changes can feel confusing and stressful. That's where a visual schedule becomes a powerful helper. A visual schedule is simply a set of pictures or symbols that show what will happen next. Like getting dressed, eating breakfast, going to school, or playing time. It turns the day into a clear, step-by-step plan. No surprises. No confusion. Just structure and comfort. When children can see what comes next, they feel more in control, less anxious, and more confident. It also helps with independence. They start completing tasks by following the visuals instead of waiting for instructions. You can use pictures, drawings, or even real photos. Whatever makes sense for the child. Visual schedules don't just organize the day. They help children understand time, build routines, and develop trust. Because when life feels predictable, the mind feels peaceful. Structure creates safety. Visuals create understanding.